is so early. Wow. I gotta go gas the car up. I gotta go put air in the tires, and then I'm gonna run down and grab like a sausage biscuit and a coffee. Hey, here, look what I got. You gotta come get it. Come on. Yeah, he's like a little shark. Let's go put some air in the tires. Wait for the boys to get here. Look at this guy. God damn, kid.
I don't need to. Yeah, gotta eat the half of it.
Oh my god.
Like a bunch more
dude, gnarly. Cracker's prepared. So is B. Loading the gear up, man. Look at these guys. Alright, we're underway. We got 43 minutes to go, right? I got a question for you guys. We're gonna do a few questions throughout this drive here. The first one is, right? You gotta fuck one, marry one, and kill one. Okay?
All right.
You ready? Kevin Costner, Morgan Freeman, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Brian?
I'm gonna marry Morgan Freeman.
Oh man.
I'm gonna
You gotta name all three, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna marry Morgan Freeman.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna kill Arnold Schwarzenegger. Kevin Costner's fixing to get fucked.
Alright, bro, you're up. Is Cracker gonna be alright?
You killed me at Kevin, bro. When you said Kevin, I was dead, bro.
I figured that would get you.
I'm gonna use the
Cracker.
one bullet that I got to kill somebody and shoot my motherfucking self. I can't do this shit.
Yeah, you can.
Oh
do it.
I'm crying, bro. You got tears now. Oh, man. Come on, dude. Fuck one, marry one, and kill one.
Or what's Arnold
It's
saying?
the end of the world. There ain't no pussy around. Like, never another stitch of pussy in the world. We in prison for life, motherfucker. I mean, what the fuck is the deal here?
Okay, we'll ride with that. End of the world, bro.
Alright, Terminator's coming. Like, Arnold's killing everybody. Like, shit's real, dog. This ain't no joke. It's the end of the world. What was my options?
You gotta fuck one, marry one, and kill one, bro. Kevin Costner, Morgan Freeman, and Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah!
Get down.
Oh, fuck, bro. I'm gonna give Cracker a minute. I'm definitely going balls deep on Arnold Schwarzenegger's booty, dog.
Oh,
I'm sorry. I can't help it, bro. He's got the nicest ass to all of them, bro. If I'm gonna do it, it's gotta be at least pretty and muscular. You know what I'm saying?
You can talk to Morgan.
I'm just saying, yeah, get down. Come on, stick it in. Okay, all right. Kevin Costner's got the sweetest lips. Dude's getting kissed and married, bro. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to kill Morgan. All right, you're up. You're up. Come on, Cracka.
Oh, man. I don't know, man. I gotta say, like, Morgan's like the best narrator ever, so I could probably listen to his ass forever. He seemed like he'd be more like, you know, the wise one.
So you're marrying him
I'd
for
probably marry that nigga.
ASMR.
Somebody you can talk to about
And
your
that's not
progress.
racial, motherfucker.
Oh my god. All right,
But,
Kevin.
I don't know, man. He like the pretty boy ass motherfucker. He probably gotta die.
That's exactly why.
And there's only one left, bitches. I ain't gotta say it.
Yeah.
I do not want to picture that.
I'm not gonna lie. Brandon, Lance, Brian. Well, you already know. We're out in the middle of nowhere, dude. Like literally, and there are actually quite a few cars here. Surprising. Yeah. So ever since this place got put on Google Maps, it looks like it got popular really fast.
Yeah.
So this will be interesting to see if there's more people out here. YouTube.
Have whatever colors you
All
want.
right, well, Guy, you get a shout out because that's an original idea.
Yeah, it's a very good idea.
There you go, man. What is it?
Florida
777
777 Explorer.
Yeah, there you go. YouTube.
Thin blue line.
Check them out.
Good job, bro.
Hell yeah, man. Smart thinking. You boys ready? I brought the power of the sun. Let's do this.
Oh, you got one of those?
Yo.
I got my
Wear it up like a turd up.
Be all right.
All right, so guys, we're sweating. Lance, how's your sweat coming?
It's like
I know. We've only been walking like 15 minutes, bro, and we're dying. It is stupid hot now. The sun is out. Ooh. You see the sweat on my head. Welcome to Florida. What are you doing back there, B? He's the only one that's not sweating. Him and Brandon both. You guys don't sweat.
It's because I'm skinny.
In shape, motherfuckers. God damn.
I only have a little sweat in me. It already came out.
What the hell?
all right, guys.
Dude, I think a tree just came down.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I must have missed that.
Holy crap.
I did not hear timber.
That shit was loud.
Fucking cool. I don't know if I'm moving that.
Dude, whoa. No way. That is gnarly
All right,
looking.
so can you get into it from this side?
Yeah, right over here.
All right, guys, if you're coming in here, watch your step.
That is fucking gnarly looking, dude.
Yeah, bro, that's cool.
Holy crap.
Damn, look at all the mud.
Wow. That is a massive cave system down there. There you go. Work each part out as we go.
Really need to take your time.
Yeah, take my time. I got you. All right. Be careful, B. It looks slippery. All right. So what do we got? The DJI system hooked up right now? Where is it? Slick. See what you got. Oh my god. Word. Yo. Oh no. Plus side is you could just walk around and grab it where it landed. Yep, no. Alright, right there on the edge. Okay, now here's the thing. Hi! Yeah, so actually that big stick, if both of us can lift it, can easily get it. You can't say we're not crazy. Look at these guys. He got it stuck up there. He was going in for like a split S, and it just dumped.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
And we got some other people that are cruising back there. Oh, nice. Catch. Actually, that's not too bad.
Yeah, bonus beer can.
Where'd it go?
Boom, right there.
All right, dude.
You're good to go.
You are in business.
In business, brah. All right, Brian's going for a rip here. Here we go. Oh, I didn't light up the back cavern. Did you want to try it, B? I didn't light up the back cavern. Did you want to try it? Just cruising, huh? All right. Dude, it looks sick. Yeah. Oh no. Bro, I don't know if you guys can see that, but he is steaming. You can see literal steam coming off of him.
Yeah, it's hot balls and shit.
Crazy.
Can you see the steam coming off of you?
Oh yeah, I see it all up on your shoulder. I think we're all steaming. Yep, I'm steaming too. Crazy. Crazy. He looks like he's on fire. Where'd he go? No. Oh. Oh man. Nice. Almost had it. Yeah. Dude, you got adrenaline fingers right now. You good? No way. Yo, dude, you killed it. Yo. Oh my God, I can't believe you made it through all that rock, dude. That was sick. Nice. Pilot life. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Dude, did you really go all the way out and then up and over? You are crazy, dude. This is what it's about, y'all. Hell of a job piloting by Mr. Brandon there. Hamburger FPV. Check him out, guys. That was sick, man. Hell yeah.